Hi everybody. I'm gonna say Tyra B, Still in Love. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you. What I gotta do, everything I say, everything I do. You seem to think that I can't tell the truth. What I gotta do to prove to you? Even though I try, you seem like you'll never be satisfied. What all you seem to care about is who, what, when, and why. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I just wanna grow it back to the day of time awaiting VA. When everything was cool and all I had to say was trust me, babe. But now, no, everything has changed. And oh yeah, I would be this way. Ooh, that was all my fault. And that a pleasure really cost me. I'm doing so wrong this time. The tables have turned. I found a really good man now. I'm gotta let it burn. 'Cause I'm still in love. Oh, I'm baby, still in love. And I'm so proud of you. 'Cause not a lot of guys can do what you do. You stay true to me, so faithful. So what I gotta do to prove to you? And I can't give up because I refuse to lose your love. It's only me and you I'm thinking of. That